Are you torn between VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and QEMU for your virtualization needs? Let's delve into the ultimate showdown of features, performance, and usability to help you choose the best fit for your projects. What specific aspects are you most interested in comparing? So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how you can choose the best virtual machine. First of all, we have here VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, QEMU. So choosing the right virtualization platform can be challenging, especially with options like VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and QEMU on the table. Each offers unique features and capabilities catering to different needs, whether you are an enterprise user, a developer, or a hobbyist. In this comparison, we will break down their strengths and weaknesses to help you find the perfect fit for your virtualization projects. Let's dive in. The first one we have VMware.com. So VMware is a leading virtualization platform that enables users to create and manage multiple virtual machines on a single physical server. So in the homepage we have the smarter way to cloud. Our private cloud solution delivers the security and agility enterprises need, supported by technologies for applications, edge infrastructure, and private EA. We have chart your VMware Export Journey. And if you scroll now, you'll find here introducing VMware Cloud Foundation. Bootcamp unveils the future of VMware Cloud Foundation, the business value of VMware Cloud Foundation, and also cloud solutions for your business. First, a platform, cloud infrastructure, networking, security, software-defined edge. And also you'll find here trending topics like IBM and VMware help enterprises adopt generative EA. Then we have announcing general availability of VMware Private EA Foundation with NVIDIA, and also VMware Cloud Foundation total cost of ownership white paper. Then we have sovereign clouds, new developer data and security services. So its benefits include enhanced resource utilization, improved scalability, and robust security features, making it ideal for enterprise environments. VMware's tools such as vSphere facilitate effective management of virtual resources, ensuring high availability and disaster recovery. Additionally, its seamless integration with cloud services allows organizations to adopt hybrid cloud strategies, optimizing EA infrastructure while supporting innovation and agility. And if we move to the next one about VirtualBox, we'll find this page, powerful open source virtualization in the middle, and we have it how you can get started. You click over download VirtualBox binaries and platform packages. So VirtualBox is an open source virtualization software developed by Oracle that allows users to run multiple operating systems on a single physical machine. So its key benefits include being cost effective as it's free to use and offering broad compatibility with various host systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux. VirtualBox features an intuitive interface, Snapchat capabilities for easy state restoration and seamless integration with the host system, which enhances productivity with support for a wide range of case operating systems and an active community for resources. VirtualBox is a versatile choice for developers and teach enthusiasts alike. Have your community become a part of the VirtualBox community, discuss and solve problems in the forums. You have documentation, training, and if you scroll now you'll find here join the VirtualBox community. Millions of users actively use VirtualBox. Then we have Hyper-V. So here we have introduction to Hyper-V on Windows. So Hyper-V is a virtualization platform developed by Microsoft that allows users to create and manage virtual machines on Windows Server and Windows 10. Its benefits include tight integration with the Windows ecosystem, enabling seamless management through familiar tools like PowerShell and System Center. Hyper-V offers features such as live migration, which allows virtual machines to move between hosts without downtime, and reduced security options like sharded virtual machines. Additionally, it supports nested virtualization and containerization, making it ideal for both enterprise environments and development scenarios while providing scalability and high availability for demanding workloads. Then we have here QEMU. So QEMU is an open source machine emulator and virtualizer that enables users to run multiple operating systems on various hardware architectures. We have here QEMU, a generic and open source machine emulator and virtualizer. If we scroll down, you will find here full system emulation, user mode emulation, and virtualization. So its key benefits include flexibility as it supports a wide range of guests, OS types, and architectures from ARM. QEMU can operate in two modes: as a full system emulator for running in modified guest operating systems and as a lightweight virtualization. Virtualizer, I mean, when paired with QVM. So what is QVM? Kernel-based virtual machine. For improved performance, it's highly configurable and can be integrated into cloud and container environments, making it a powerful choice for developers and researchers seeking an adaptable virtualization solution. So, VMware is often regarded as the best virtualization platform for enterprise environments due to its robust features. First, including high availability, disaster recovery, and seamless cloud integration. Its vSphere management capabilities optimize resource allocation and performance under heavy workloads, while strong security measures protect sensitive data. Additionally, VMware supports hybrid cloud strategies, making it ideal for organizations seeking flexibility and innovation. Overall, its performance and comprehensive support make VMware a top choice for serious virtualization needs. So this is how it works with VMware.com and VirtualBox, and then we have a Hyper-V and QEMU, so you choose the one you want. And to have to read this information, like you have download support, contribute docs, wiki blog, and then here we have also Discover, product documentation, development, languages, topics, and in VirtualBox we have home, download, documentation, and community also. And also here we have products, solutions, partners, resources. So you can just get started to view more. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.